Looking for the best NVMe PCIe adapters that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best NVMe PCIe adapters that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, a dual M.2 NVMe to PCIe adapter. The dual M.2 NVMe to PCIe adapter is a powerful upgrade solution for users needing extra high-speed storage. It supports 2 NVMe SSDs simultaneously, compatible with multiple sizes including 2280 to 2230, making it highly flexible. The PCIe power design ensures stable performance without requiring external power, while solid capacitors help protect against voltage fluctuations. Built-in copper strips and dual heat sinks effectively reduce heat, improving SSD longevity and maintaining consistent speed under load. It supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, with plug-and-play installation. Compatible with PCIe X1 to X16 slots, it's a reliable, efficient expansion card for faster storage performance and better system scalability. Next up is SaberNet M.2 NVMe SSD to PCIe adapter card. This M.2 NVMe to PCIe adapter is a solid and efficient solution for expanding high-speed storage in desktop systems. It supports a wide range of NVMe SSD sizes, including 2230 to 2280, making it highly versatile for different builds. Designed for PCIe X16, X8, and X4 slots, it delivers excellent bandwidth for fast data transfer, ideal for performance upgrades. The included aluminum heatsink with thermal pad helps maintain low temperatures, ensuring stable and long-lasting SSD operation under heavy load. Installation is straightforward with tool-free mounting and included accessories. With strong system compatibility across Windows, Linux, and modern BIOS systems, it offers a reliable plug-and-play upgrade path for faster and more stable storage performance. Coming in at number 3 is Glotron's M.2 NVMe to PCIe adapter. This M.2 NVMe to PCIe adapter is a versatile and performance-focused upgrade solution for desktop users. It converts PCIe X4/X8/X16 slots into an M.2 keyM interface, enabling seamless NVMe SSD installation, though it does not support X1 or PCI slots. With PCIe 4.0/3.0 compatibility, it delivers high-speed performance, provided the CPU, motherboard, and SSD fully support Gen 4 bandwidth. The included heat sinks effectively reduce SSD temperatures by up to 20 degrees Celsius, improving stability under heavy workloads. It supports all NVMe capacities and multiple SSD sizes from 2230 to 2280. Wide OS compatibility, including boot support on most systems, adds flexibility. With dual brackets, certifications, and lifetime support, it's a reliable and future-ready storage expansion tool. Now number 4, eluding dual M.2 PCIe adapter. This PCIe M.2 conversion adapter is a highly versatile storage expansion solution, supporting both NVMe and SATA M.2 SSDs across multiple form factors, including 2230 to 22110. Its wide compatibility with B-key, M-key, and B+M key drives makes it suitable for various upgrade scenarios. Designed for PCIe X4, X8, and X16 slots, it delivers high-speed data transfer via NVMe protocol, significantly reducing large file transfer times, though real performance depends on system support. Built-in solid capacitors ensure stable voltage regulation, protecting SSDs from power fluctuations. Double-sided copper and porous cooling design help maintain low temperatures for consistent performance. With strong OS support and durable gold-plated contacts, it's a reliable and efficient storage upgrade option. And finally, our last pick is Dutech PCIe NVMe SSD adapter. This PCIe NVMe adapter is a practical upgrade solution for systems without native M.2 slots, allowing M-key NVMe SSDs to be used via PCIe X1 interface. It supports PCIe 3.0 and 4.0 protocols and works across X1, X4, X8, and X16 slots, ensuring broad motherboard compatibility. With support for multiple SSD sizes from 2230 to 2280, it offers strong flexibility for different storage needs. The included full-height and half-height brackets make it suitable for standard desktops, SFF builds, IDX cases, and even industrial or server environments. Powered directly through the PCIe slot, it requires no extra cables, simplifying installation. Complete accessories like a screwdriver and nuts enhance convenience and ease of setup. So those are the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.